In this video, I'll show you how to create a flickering text in Premiere Pro. Begin by selecting the type tool, add text, and adjust it to your liking. Then open the effects window, search for flicker, and add it to the start of the text layer. Then select the flicker effect that we've added by left-clicking on it, and in Effect Controls you'll find a lot of different settings to go through and adjust that will let you customize the flicker effect. I want to create a simple and basic flicker effect. For this I'm going to start from the top and set frame blend to 0. I'm going to uncheck keep count. This will make sure that the flickers will continue for as long as we extend the effect to. Then under transformation controls, I'm going to say rotation to 0, shake offset to 0, and scale to 100. Then under distortion controls, I'm going to set everything to 0. And under color controls, I'm going to set chromatic aberrations to 0 as well. Now, if you play this back, we'll get the flickering text. Now, in order to adjust the duration, we're going to scroll all the way up, click on duration, and type it that way, or we can just extend it from the timeline by dragging the end of it forward. I'm going to extend it to 2 seconds. And lastly, in order to control the speed of the flicker, play around with the strobe value. Decreasing this value will result in quicker flickers. On the other hand, increasing this value will give you a slower flicker. And that is pretty much it.